Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a straight mid-skin fade on a busy day at the shop. This is a regular client, not a model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first thing is to make the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to use the foil shaver to create baldness on the side. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. The next step is to erase the bald line. Fully extend the blade on your clipper, and each time you pass through the section, close it just a bit. Continue doing this until the line is erased. All you have to do is just watch. And for this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. You can go straight up with this guard without disturbing the hair all the way on top. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step until the demarcation is blended. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Use a straight razor to bring out the lineup. Next, remove weight and add texture at the same time with a sliding technique. Alright guys, if your skin fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and trimmers provided in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.